So in today's video, we're gonna put back the, what you call
The
that?
original starter motor.
Original starter motor. Because that one don't have a starter motor. It's the same Massey Ferguson.
Yeah.
With the other one, I'll let you see which starter motor they put in here. This is the new one, the flimsy new one, but it works. So this is the old repaired one, and I found your wire brush
Where?
up there in the tire.
Well, that's where I left it yesterday.
See?
I told you.
I wonder can't find anywhere in the house. Okay.
You got one.
Now let's hook up this cable.
Okay, right. So we want that. That's a different spanner.
That's for
The earth.
the earth. So the earth is that. That's the earth where it hooks up
To the negative.
to the negative.
Yeah. Alright. Here we go.
Okay. So, yeah.
Right.
And that's for live.
This is the live one.
Okay, that's the live. This is the live cable
Oh, God.
for the battery. Okay, so we got the negative, we got the earth, we got the live one for the positive.
That's a
This
oddball bloody nut. It's not the right
this.
size.
And to there and there. This one. Yes. We're just having trouble to find the right sockets.
Well,
'Cause
these days they bloody
we
the
always-
nuts come in all sizes. They bloody come. Originally they're 1/2 inch nuts, but I've got to use a 13 mil spanner to fit that one, so it's probably a 13 mil nut, not a 1/2 inch.
Yeah.
All right, that's a big one. That one goes there, but and
So I think you need
that
to.
one's. I think I stole that. Oh shit!
What happened there? You stole something?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think you need to hook some in a live one.
But look, I can.
Or-
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Okay, don't worry about it. This says. Let's see if we can start it without hooking this one up.
Right now.
We'll just make sure the battery is hooked up too. So we got some power. That's the key. Okay.
This goes here. It's got to go on the line battery over here.
I think you need to talk when the engine is off.
Take this out and put it in the yard.
Okay, let's see if this drives. And we'll explain the little bit there. What happened there? I think he forgot to put the cradle. When you look at this, if it's not starting, when you just look at the physical appearance, it looks like doesn't work. It looks like really junk. But now, as you can see, it's running. Doesn't change gear. Oops. Now it does. This might be a long video for some, but for some who is keen to see the working condition of the tractor, for future reference. This is a good video. No, I need to film everything. So you need to have a better timing to engage which gear you are going to. Sometimes, most of the times, tractors is not very handy shifting gears like the car. Everything's still working here. This can go up and down, and the thing for the slasher, you can still hook in there and it will still spin. as I'd said, it's look crappy, but it's all in working condition. Ding ding!
I've driven this tractor for over 50 years.
50 years and a half?
51 years. It's not. I think it's a 1974 model.
Yeah, right. So what's wrong there?
Remember the clutch. The clutch needs replacing.
The clutch
So I've
is...
got no clutch. See, look, there's something broken there.
So if you don't have a clutch, how you gonna change gear? You just
Crash it in. But
crash
you
it
can only
in.
do it in low gear.
Do it in low gear?
Well, otherwise the difference in gear, the gear speeds is too high. In low gear, they're so close, you can just crunch it in as long as you've got low revs on the tractor.
Oh, okay.
It's not recommended, it's not good. But it's
not good.
the only way to get around.
Yeah, so it's not good, but...
So you can't use the tractor for anything practical, like driving and towing or working. Like with this.
Yeah, unless you change your...
Clutch.
Yeah,
Well,
if you change your
you
clutch...
can see there's something broken. There's something mechanical. It's not just it's not the clutch plates. There's something broke
inside
one day.
here.
I was here and it just went bang and it broke.
Yeah, so, but I'm saying before, everything's still working, like the hydraulic there and the thing.
They should be.
Yeah,
But,
and what you call it, the slasher thing, they should all work.
But that's because the power takeoff, they work off the hydraulic power takeoff. But
Yeah.
But
So this one, before, you don't want me to touch it, and now...
Oh no, well this is, it's actually not live, but if you touch something there, it would start something when somebody doesn't want you to start it, you'll hurt somebody.
Yeah.
So it's I stole the terminal off there for the new one because it didn't come with it.
Ah, okay. So this one should be hooked here.
Yeah. So what I did.
So even if you're not hooking there, it's still running.
Yeah, but it's only look. See, it won't start, right? But if I hold that on there, it's only the starting circuit.
Okay.
I had to steal the terminal, the blade off there for that new starter motor, which it didn't have one. It was a different style.
Okay. I thought you just start the key without hooking this to anything.
No, you've got to have it hooked to. I mean, you could hook it up here to there. You just got to hook it somewhere live, you know.
So yeah, it won't start if you don't hook this into the live thing.
Well, you've got to when the key switches this onto that. And that can be either you could hook it there or at the battery end or somewhere else that's live. Yeah. That's the solenoid. So if you don't have that, the solenoid doesn't work.
Yeah, so it's worth it. How's this? Watching the video until the end, because you will have the right clue, not just the one that I filmed from the outside. I didn't see what you did here before. So it means, as you can see in the video a while ago, he put this one there and start
that's live there,
and
so
start
I should put
key.
that back over there. That's why there's a boot, because it's a live one.
Yeah. Okay, for now.
Let's
Ding ding. Okay.